Hello, Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I will show you how to create this beautiful fairy manipulation in Photoshop CC. So let's get started. First, open the Photoshop. I will use several images. This is a sky, then a water splash, a mountain, an island, a globe, and a fairy. So let's start our video. First, create a new document. Okay, it's our document is ready. Now I will pull this picture to our document. Just drag and drop. Press Ctrl T and zoom out with Ctrl minus. Then resize the image to fit our document size. Okay, now I will pull this globe to our document. Again, press Ctrl T and resize the globe. Okay, now I will pull this island and place it in our document. Again, press Ctrl T and resize the image. Set the opacity. I will place the island inside of the globe. Now apply layer mask on this layer and select brush tool. Press Alt backspace and brush with white color and set the opacity to 100%. Now brush only inside the globe, so only the island inside the globe can be visible. Okay, done. Now I will take the mountain picture. Again, press Ctrl T to resize it and place it where it looks perfect. I will place it under the globe. Decrease the opacity. Now apply layer mask and set the opacity to 100%. Then select brush tool. Again press Alt backspace. Then brush with white color. Okay, now press hue and saturation. And adjust the color. Okay, now I will pull this water splash image to our document. Press Ctrl T and resize the image. And decrease the opacity. Then apply layer mask and press brush tool and brush with black color. Press set hue and saturation. Then adjust the color you want. Okay, it's perfect. Now pull the fairies image to top of the globe. Press Ctrl T and resize the image. Flip it horizontal. Then place it where it Looks perfect. Now press hue and saturation and adjust the color you want. Select Quick Selection tool and select Fairies, Dress and Wings and Shows only. Okay, selection is done. Now press Ctrl J. So it makes another copy. Now select hue and saturation. Then adjust the color. Choose the color you want to give it. Okay. Now select the sky layer. Select hue and saturation. Then adjust the color of the sky. I will set the fairy's dress and wings color to white. It looks perfect to me. Now select the body layer of the fairy and adjust the hue and saturation. I will just increase the skin tone. Okay, it's done. Now make the group to the layers. Sky layers will be outside of the group. So I will pull these layers to the outside of the group. Okay, now select the group and press Ctrl T. Place it anywhere you want and resize it. So it's perfect. Okay, that's it all. Thanks for watching everyone. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more graphics videos like this. Thank you so much.